just got a package from Sundown. Should be my drop-in recone for my sa-12 here. It was dual 2 ohm, and I had another sub that was dual 4 ohm, so I wanted them to match. Obviously both Sundown sa-12s. So here it is. I figured I'd open it up online so I can show you guys. A little unboxing. Trying not to cut myself. Snap-on knife. Wow, look at all this spaghetti. Holy. Wow.
Jeez.
They playing a trick on me or what? Holy. Ooh, here we go. These are the X series terminals that I ordered. So I can put like almost 4 gauge in them. I don't need to, but I wanted the option. Got a new dust cap. Nice. I think I'd get a new one. There's that. Here's the new drop-in, custom built by the guys at Sundown. Appreciate it, guys. It's my new Sundown drop-in recone, dual 4 ohm. Pretty sweet. Hope you enjoyed.